Greetings, it is Sunday afternoon, June 13th, 2021. This is part 11 of my video documentation of creating this new tolerance education with art mosaic drawing combo. All four drawings are now completely and securely affixed onto the wood base. The mosaic area is going to be very small, just kind of background area. And right now, this is being glued down. It looks like wood, but it's actually made out of plastic. Interesting. So I had to put an additional piece of plywood behind the wood base that the mosaic will go on and that the drawings are on. That's being adhered with construction adhesive, lower part of it with like wood glue. All right, to be continued. Now we have, once that's done, and I also have to, I'm going to additionally fastening it with metal screws. I've got one more section to do on the right, and then I have to do something for the wood base here, which I'll probably have as a small shelf. And then the mosaic will begin. All right. Hey, budgies, how are we doing today? My studio mates, great assistants, chortling away.